Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a product in the Tiendeo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the home button at the bottom of the page on the left. And then click on the search bar at the top of the page. And then just start typing anything that you want to search for. And as you can see, here you will find the results. And if you click on the show details button on a product that you're interested in, then you will be able to see it in further details. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.